Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Always use the best and the freshest ingredients. Today I will make coconut curried tofu. There are 3 varieties of tofu: the firm, the soft, and silky. I like to use soft tofu most of the recipes. I like to use charcoal brand coconut milk the best. Use 1 cup of vegetable stock, 1 teaspoon of curry, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of hot pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. We will use in shallots and garlic. Slice the shallots, 1 shallot, and then finely chop 1 clove of garlic. When you open the coconut milk, you mix thoroughly because the heavy cream is always on the bottom. And after you mix them, measure 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Cut the block in half, then half again. Then you cut each piece into 4 pieces again, so you have a total 16 pieces of tofu. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a small pot. Add garlic first, stir, and then add shallots. And cook until the shallots and garlic are soft and translucent. Mix the 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of crushed hot pepper, and stir and mix. Cook about 2 minutes. Add the stock to the mixture and turn the heat to medium-low. Then stir in the coconut milk and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Bring the coconut milk, stock, and the curry to a boil and simmer for maybe 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce is getting thicker. Strain the sauce into a bowl and discard the solid. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a nonstick pot. Add tofu. And brown on both sides. Put in the curry sauce and turn the tofu occasionally. Cook about 5 minutes. Very gently place the tofu on the plates and serve. Like to decorate with a chopped scallion and basil.